Okay, so here's the Turkish dance. We start off with the D minor shape, and here's the opening. Play thumb, finger and finger. Thumb on the G string, first finger on the B, second finger on the E. Change the chord from D minor to A minor. Change the chord from A minor to E. Change the chord back to A minor and then play this picking pattern. Thumb, 1, 2, 1, thumb. So the introduction is like this. Then the first section, put the second finger on the second fret of the G string and play this. That is. Then change to the E and do this. Then the next part takes place all on the second string. And then back to the A minor. The next part is little finger on the D string, on the B string at the third fret, which is a D note. And it goes like this. So it's here, pick the open D string, then the A string, then the E string. Back to these two, the A string, and the two top strings with these two fingers. Then repeat that phrase, the open D string on the first string, then the open A string on the first string again, and then we play this, the open E string and this. 3, 2, 1, open, A string, and the A here on the second fret of the G string. So it goes like this. And then this finger is already in place to play your ending, which is like this. The D minor, the A minor, the E, and the A minor. So the whole thing is like this. We get a bit of a better position, it's like this. And that's it. Hope that helps.